Sa lahat ng housewares natin sa bahay, malamang isa na sa pinakamahalaga ay ang ating kama. It's one of those private places where we can rest and dream away, most of the time with peace and comfort. Pero sa dami nga naman ng mga iba't ibang brands ng mattresses ngayon, ano nga ba ang nararapat nating gamitin? Well, SALEM, one of the leading makers of mattresses in the country, is about to make it easier for all of us.
Today's mattress shoppers are more confused than ever. With so many mattress options and features available, they had a hard time making an informed decision. That is why we at SALEM Bed, in order to provide our customer with innovative solutions and helping them to make an informed decision in purchasing mattress, came out with this body mapping event. This body mapping event will give us a competitive edge and the assurance to use the most sophisticated system available around the world for many advanced applications. This body mapping event will provide consumers with an objective approach to buying a mattress. Through the measurement and graphical display of pressure distribution, pressure mapping system allow consumers to visually see a mattress fit their unique body type and sleeping position.
Equipped with the latest technology, SALEM is all set to make their mattresses better.
As part of our vision to be the leader in the market, we integrate with X Sensors powerful imaging tools, not just as an R&D tool to build better mattresses, but also into the mattress buying process. That will help the consumer understand peak pressure points and mattress support, show them how mattresses can be pressure relieving, and provide good mattress support. It will also instill confidence and trust in the brand and justify the cost of a higher price mattress to improve sleep.
With the right kind of tools, ang hari ng tibay ay malamang magiging hari pa rin sa mga darating na panahon.
For 50 years now, SALEM is the leading mattress manufacturer in the country. Our goal is to have a SALEM bed in every Filipino home, and we're proud to say that we're getting there.